experiences tough times, it is a measure of your determination and dedication. So what are the two important qualities which are required to become an entrepreneur is what? Determination and what? Dedication. How you deal with them and how you can come through them is really becoming of what? An entrepreneur. Very important, friends. Definition of salesmanship is the gentle art of letting the customer have it your way. I have already said that this is a type of a restaurant without any what? Waiters and crockery, friends, right? Bill Gates, we were young, but we had good advice and good ideas and lot of what? So I think what is again required to become an entrepreneur is what? Enthusiasm as well as what? Good ideas. All ideas are good, friends. Only thing they have to be implemented in a different manner. It's very important, friends. Facebook, I have already said it's nothing called as a fake book, but exactly he wanted to have this connectivity. And the thing that we are trying to do at Facebook is just help people connect and communicate more. Oh, I think that is how exactly it has become very popular, friends. We can upload, we can download many things on the Facebook, right? Fine. So I think let us proceed further and look in for, do we have various ideas on which we can capitalize? I have included out over here all different types of ideas, friend, which you can always think in terms of, you can even start your business with 2,000 rupees. Those types of ideas I have basically brought before you. Think big, think fast, think ahead. Ideas are no one's monopoly. Can we say? Ideas is somebody's monopoly? So ideas is nobody's monopoly. Anybody can think, friends. Anybody can have what? An idea, friends. The only thing is thinking. Opportunities you can grab, friends. I first of all looked in for what? Food. Serve and earn. We can have pre-prepared food. I think thali systems and things like that. Many people, they are into this particular chain of what? And tiffin wala, I think it's into logistics. Fine. Then we have thali restaurant. Only and only restaurants selling what? The thalis only and getting what? Good business. And chains of what? Restaurants being opened only in terms of what? Thali. Diet restaurant clinic. For organic food, all food with what? Calories and everything what measured out over there. So diet restaurant. A new idea you can always think in terms of, it's not a restaurant, but it is what? It's a diet restaurant and what? Clinic, where you can measure what was your weight before eating and what is your weight after eating. Right? So you have created a clinic also, where all those types of balanced food advice is also given out over there. Now friends, time is changing and I have looked in for what? There was a time when people was interested to take what? These fast food. People were interested to take more of these tikkis, chaats and what? Dahi ballas and things like that. Now friends, time is coming when people are more interested to take fruits. So can we think in terms of having a restaurant serving what? Only and only fruits? And fruits of the choice of whom? Of an individual. Lot of scope. You can think in terms of chain of what? Shop serving or a restaurant serving what? Only fruits, right? Buffet only restaurant. Very popular overseas, friend. Why don't we think in terms of what? Having these types of what? Buffet restaurants. And this is what? A very what? Economical meals which can be provided in what? In these types of buffet restaurants. Mobile restaurant. Can we think of? Chalta Firta Hotel. And that is what? Not a simple dhaba, but it is what? 5-star dhaba. And people will be really interested to look in for in what way it is 5-star. Right? The first star is what? It is in a proper hygiene condition, right? All these types of things which are being served are what? In a disposable manner, right? So disposable packed things, and we are talking in terms of what? Mobile restaurant, very much in demand, friends, because आज के दिन ये मोबाइल रेस्टोरेंट तो नहीं है, बट मोबाइल रेडियां जरूर देखी हैं मैंने दिल्ली की सड़कों के ऊपर, right? And yeah, we are finding overseas very popular mobile restaurants. Fine. 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. delivery restaurant. शराब पीने वाले जब तक उनको होश आती है तब तक होटल बंद हो चुके होते हैं. बीपीओ में 9 जॉब करने वाले जो सुबह 5 बजे की ड्यूटी पे जाते हैं, कोई होटल नहीं खुला होता. आई थिंक वी हैव अ सेगमेंट ऑफ मार्केट फ्रेंड्स which is definitely looking in for these types of restaurants which only work from what? 11 p.m. to what? 7 a.m. There can be a good scope for this. There will be good takers for this. Another hotel, friend, and that is what? Romantic. Yeah, catering hotel. And basically what we are finding what for honeymoon couples. So exclusive what? Chairs and tables, no disturbance. Moonlight, candlelight, restaurants. Many other places you are finding it. We can also think in terms of what capitalizing over here in our country. So I think one area which I have shown is food, serve and earn. Another area, more foodie, more moody. And what is this? Sandwiches, patties, pastries, deliveries. कुछ ना कुछ मिल जाए बस मंच करने के लिए. And therefore there is a requirement for these specialty sausages and pickles. And I have seen, friends, there are only and only outlets which are only and only what? Specializing in what? Sauces and what? Pickles. Right? Maybe from Panipat or from many other places. Packed herbs and spices. Very good scope. Organic food. People are really conscious about their health. Bottled water and jar. Bakery. Dessert shop. Another areas. Opportunities you can grab, friends, in terms of what? Making the people to look at what? Like Kareena, Aishwarya Rai, or what? Katrina, or basically what? Salman. And I think we have some such type of a clinic called as Kaya Clinic. Right? Driver गाड़ी बाहर निकालो. मैडम आप तो मेरी मैडम नहीं हैं. आप तो उनकी छोटी बहन पुणे वाली हैं. नहीं नहीं मैं ही तुम्हारी मैडम हूं. And what has happened? The clinic has what? Reduced the age of a woman. And basically that woman has become what? Just like her sister, which was what? 10 years younger to her. 10 साल आपने उसकी एज ही कम कर दी. And there are ladies who are looking in for what? This type of a problem. Yoga and slimming center, day spa and what? Saunas, hair reduction. These are burning problems, friend. Fitness center, bridal makeup, body piercing and tattoos, nails care. And there are ladies who are only and only interested to what? Get their care of their nails. Yeah, cosmetic retailing, skin care, anti-aging products. So I think lot of opportunities in this area in terms of what? These types of what? Boutiques. Art and craft. Handmade decoration. Candle making. Designer cushion cover, pillow and bed cover. Hand painted flower pots. Tile creations. Photo frame shop, gift boxes. Belt buckles and buttons shop. Fashion jewelry. Lot of opportunities, friend. Opportunities are endless, friends. Nutcut world. Now what is this Nutcut world? Exclusive galleries are there. Children designer wears. Right? Child care services. Bright homes or any other such type of mother's pride. Can't we think in terms of father's pride? If we have mother's pride in Delhi, we can also think in terms of what? A chain of what? Schools in the form of father's pride. So I think it will also be very successful. Children party services. Education toys, doll making. Musical shoes. Babies product. Lot of opportunities, friend. These are some of the areas which I could identify. Band, baja, barat. And ladies are always talking about their marriage. जब मेरी शादी हुई थी तो प्रेम बैंड आया था. And the second lady says जब मेरी शादी हुई थी श्याम बैंड आया था. And the third lady says जब मेरी शादी हुई थी हस्बैंड आया था. So I think we are talking in terms of what? Band, baja, barat. Fine. Event management, wedding planner, ballroom services, sales promotion services, various other types of what? Research services. Kundali se kundali milana. And that is also very important business, friends, right? People are doing that type of business. Around the world. And these types of what? Tour packages are very popular. There's a lot of scope in these types of packages. Tour and travels, recreational tours, package tours, adventure clubs, medical tourism. Many such type of what? Travel and tourism, friends. Lot of scope. Because everybody wants to what? Earn and enjoy. And that is how exactly tour and travels are what? Always in demand. Love animals. And what we are finding is that आज के दिन घरों के अंदर इंसान कम है और जानवर ज्यादा हैं. Every house is interested to have a pet. Either it is a cat or it is rat or it is what? Horse or it is dog or it is buffalo or it is cattle. But everybody has some sparrow or what? Something or the other. Right? Cattle भी होती है हमारे यहाँ, अगर हम देखेंगे बकरी भी हम रखते हैं अपने घरों के अंदर. And that is how exactly we are finding what? People are crazy. उनका बस चले तो वो क्या है? They can even what? Cage the lions and what? Tigers as their pet. But that is a different thing. Wildlife does not allow us to have what? Lions and tigers. Right? जिनके घर बड़े बड़े हैं शायद हो सकता है they can even keep hathis, elephants also. But yes, pet business is a very growing business. Dog grooming is very important. Dog dresses and accessories. बड़ा सजा धजा के निकालते हैं हम आजकल. Dog training classes, fish aquarium sales and maintenance. Such type of business opportunities, friend. खेल खेल में people are really interested to recreate themselves खेल खेल में, and that is what billiards hall, sports coaching, sports wear, accessories. You can even start the retail of what? Sports good. Many such type of opportunities exist in what? खेल खेल में, and that is how exactly we are finding. Office services, lot of opportunities in these areas called as office services. Stationery printing, conference folder, bags, allied products, patent services. We are also taking these office services in case of project report. Because we have also these types of addas where we are in a position to have these types of ready-made project reports. Earning while educating, just see. 2-in-1. And what is 2-in-1? Mobile computer training. And this is how exactly. Desktop publishing, English speaking courses, personality development. औरों की हो या ना हो, हमारी तो हो रही है. औरों को इंग्लिश आया ना, हमें तो आ रही है. We are improving our own. And that is how. Earn while you learn. So fine. Editing services, driving school, website designing and animation. I think endless what? Opportunities in what? Earning while what? Educating. Fine. Few more. You are finding advertising. Indoor, outdoor advertising, real estate rental services, senior home care center. We are finding textile printing and service, household repair service. Very important, friends. Every house has a problem. किसी का नल का लीक हो रहा है तो किसी का लाइट खराब हो रहा है और किसी के घर में दरवाजा जो है वो रगड़ रगड़ के चल रहा है. So either they require plumbing, they require what? Some type of electrician, or they are requiring some carpenter. And we are having what? All these services under one roof. And if you can offer these services, I think there's a good scope, friends. Opportunities you can grab large, but not the least. You can think in terms of what? Export, import. You can think of online selling, e-commerce. And I think we are finding there's a lot of what? Growth in these lines, friend. People are coming in this type of a business. Now even second-hand books are also available online. Even you can sell your old items where? Online. Kabadi.com. Anything that does not sell through your Kabadis, you can put your items on what? Kabadi.com. Girls want some advice. What should be the carrier? Sitageeta.com. Right? You want to buy second-hand books. You want to sell your books. Go on to what? Secondhandbooks.com. You want to have books on hire. You are having what? Bookshire.com. No need to purchase the books. You can hire the books. Books are even available on rental. कार रेंटल तो है ही है हमारे यहाँ. अब बुक्स भी रेंट पे अवेलेबल है. जैसे आपने देखा था हम बचपन में हम देखते थे कॉमिक्स वर अवेलेबल ऑन व्हाट? ऑन रेंट. आज के लिए हमारे हर मैनेजमेंट की बुक, हर टाइप की बुक्स आर अवेलेबल ऑन व्हाट? ऑन रेंट. ओनली थिंग यू हैव टू टेक द मेंबरशिप. दैट्स ऑल. So lot of such businesses are there, friends. Online businesses are there. So friends, let us try to see who is an entrepreneur. Anything that comes to your mind, who is an entrepreneur? At least he is not something different, friends. He is not an alien. He is what? He is an individual. He is a person. So वो इंसान है, वो वाकई में इंसान है. Entrepreneur is a person who takes on new enterprise, venture or an idea and is responsible for what? For the risks and the outcome. So there are three words, friend. Entrepreneur, entrepreneurship, and what? Enterprise. Who is an entrepreneur? He is an individual, is a person. What is entrepreneurship? It is a process, or it is what? A capability in a person. These are the abilities and what skills required to become what? To become an entrepreneur. What is an enterprise? It is an organization. Three things make together to become what? A successful entrepreneur. As an individual, you need to have an organization. अगर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं होगी तो कोई आपसे बिजनेस नहीं करेगा. जब भी आप बिजनेस करने जाएंगे, सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन आपका कस्टमर आपसे पूछेगा, व्हाट इज योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? सर मैं और मेरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, मैं और सिर्फ मैं. पीपल आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड टू डू बिजनेस विद यू, क्योंकि वो आपकी तन्हाइयों से काम नहीं करना चाहते, आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में भी जानना चाहते हैं. सो देयर हैज टू बी एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड अ पर्सन बिहाइंड दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. एंड हु इज दैट पर्सन बिहाइंड द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? इज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. एंड व्हाट इज दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? इज एन एंटरप्राइज. एंड व्हाई दिस पर्सन इज कॉल्ड एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर? बिकॉज of some qualities, and these are the two very important qualities. One is what? Having an idea, and second what? Risk taking. That's all. Nothing else is required. Job करेंगे उसमें risk नहीं है? Tell me, when you are doing a job, don't you feel there is any risk? What type of risk is there? Job security. उसके अलावा टारगेट्स होंगे. साहब ये सैलरी जो दी जाएगी वो 300 यूनिट्स बेचने पे दी जाएगी, और 300 यूनिट से ऊपर जितना भी बिकेगा उस पर इंसेंटिव मिलेगा, और 300 यूनिट नहीं बिके तो समझ लेना, सर समझ लिया मैंने तो आप देख लेना whether you have to think in terms of looking for a job or what, your own business. Serial entrepreneur is one who continuously comes up with new ideas and start what new businesses. Very important. Innovator who raises the necessary money to make an idea happen. So can we raise the money? Yes. So both things are required, creativity and what? Innovation in what? Becoming an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurial is nothing but willingness to take risk in order to make what? Profit. Because this is a rule of economics, friend. Wherever there is a risk, there has to be what? Gain. Right? And more risk, more gain. Fine. Entrepreneurship is nothing but what? It is an ability, a new business started, friends. Qualities. What are the qualities which are required to become an entrepreneur? Looking for. Independent. We really have to be independent. Second, self-confidence. Very important, friends. I've already said God also helps those who help themselves. Very important. Determined, friends. That determination is very, very important. You have to be determined. If you're determined, things will what? Fall in your way. If you're not determined, things will not happen, friends. Very important. Persistent, very, very important. You have to be persistent. You have to try again and again. You really have to be what? Having that patience. Right? Fine. Goal-oriented, very important, friends. What are the targets in your life? You have to set it. And if you don't have any goals in your life, friends, it will be very difficult for you to what? Somebody was asking where this road is going to go. And the person from whom that person was asking, friends, he asked very simple question, where you want to go? No, I am interested to go where this road wants to, where this road is going. And that person said, okay, fine, then move on this particular road. So if we are undecided, I think everybody is not going to help you, friends. Everybody will also be what? Will be in dark. So don't be in dark, friends. Set your own goals. Very important, you really have to be what? High ethical standards. ऐसा लोग कहते हैं, मैंने सुना है कि बिजनेस सिर्फ झूठ पे चलता है. दिन में हजारों झूठ बोलता है बिजनेसमैन. सॉरी. A true businessman is one, friends, who is never speaking lies. Because in a business, whatever prevails is only and only truth. Nothing else prevails in business except for what? Truth. Don't make any promises which cannot be fulfilled, friends. And if you're trying to make promises which cannot be fulfilled, you will never be in what? In business. You'll be out of your business. Hard working, I think there is no substitute to what? Hard working. So don't try to be lethargic. And I have seen, friends, when we have classes in the morning at 9, most of the time we have seen students are not there in the classes. सर बहुत जल्दी 9 बज जाते हैं सर, 8:30 बजे तो उठते हैं, ब्रुश और सब बस सर कपड़े पहन के डिओड्रेंट लगाया है सर आ गए हैं. तो नहाए नहीं सर, समय नहीं था, हफ्ते में एक ही बार नहा लेते हैं जब भी छुट्टी होती है, वरना कहां समय मिलता है. So friends, I don't know what type of style of life you are having. Try to change yourself. You really have to be decisive. Never ask anybody else to take your decisions. And if you are decisive, I think you really will be successful, friends. Passionate. You have to be passionate about what? About your own work. And how you can be passionate? By becoming sincere. Try always to take ownership in your own work. And moment, friends, you will not take ownership, you will never be what? Passionate. और मैंने बहुत लोगों को ऐसा कहते हुए सुना है, सर आई हैव पैशन फॉर एक्सीलेंस. एंड फिर बाद में मैंने सुना है, सर आई एम इन सर्च फॉर पैशन. Because that excellence I can never find. I'm having that passion for what? Searching for excellence. So I think, friends, you really have to what? Implement whatever you want to what? Have in your mind. Good communication, very, very important, friends. You have to make your talk walk as a businessman. जो आप कह दें वो सुने सामने वाला, ऐसा आपकी communication होनी चाहिए. And good communicators really are what? Good business people. Talk to any good businessman, friends. They're very good what? Communicators. Fine. You really have to be savvy, disciplined. You really have to be smart. And I think it is what? Smart if you talk in terms of that you are in a position to do the same thing in what? In a different manner. And then simultaneously you have to be what? Risk taker. So I think there are somewhere around what? 11, 12 what? Qualities. We don't have any qualifications required to become what? An entrepreneur. But we require some qualities to become what? An entrepreneur. And friends, how these qualities can only come by wearing these 6 hats. What are these 6 hats if you look in for how they are translated? The thinking hat strategy can be used to help students risk assess activities. Those students who are wearing white hat, they are always questioning because they want some information. Where are you going? Or where we are going? They are always informative. White hat. You looking for red hat. How do you feel about the trip? They are always cautious. You talk in terms of what? Yellow hat. What benefits will you gain from the trip? They are looking from the benefits point of view. You talk in terms of black hat. What are the risks that you may encounter? And find green hat. What could you do to prevent these risks from happening? So try to change your what ideologies, friend, your mindset. And that is the only way that you can bring about a paradigm shift in your self, friends. And that is going to make you to become what? An entrepreneur. So I think we have really to break these types of what? The chains which are trying to bind us. And friends, let us come together. Let us come together and shake hands. And how to shake hands? This way. Because to be success in business, be daring, be fast, and be different. And friends, in the last, start by doing what is necessary, then do what is possible, and suddenly you are doing the impossible. Very, very important, friend. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is mystery. And today is gift, that is why we call it what? Present. So live in present, friends. Think for the future. Learn from what? From the past. Because past is what? I have already said, yesterday is history. Bhul jao. And tomorrow is what? Mystery. कभी ना जाना जोशी के बाद, सर 6 महीने बाद क्या होने वाला है, सर मेरी एमबी खत्म होने वाली है, सर एग्जाम आ जाएंगे, एग्जाम के बाद नौकरी मिल जाएगी सर मुझे, बिकॉज इट्स मिस्ट्री, नोबडी कैन टेल यू. नहीं, जोशी ने कहा है तेरे को बहुत अच्छी कंपनी, दैट टू पब्लिक सेक्टर में नौकरी मिल जाएगी, सर अब तो मेरे को पढ़ने की जरूरत ही नहीं है क्योंकि मुझे तो मिलने वाली है नौकरी कहां. इट इज अ मिस्ट्री, नोबडी कैन व्हाट अनकवर दिस मिस्ट्री. वो मिस्ट्री को मिस्ट्री रहने दो, but try to prepare yourself in the present to conquer what? The future. So thank you very much, friends. That was all from my side. And yeah, so before I end, I will be more interested to take the questions because once one speaker went over there to an audience like you and asked this question from the gathering, do you know on what topic I am going to speak? And most of the people sitting out over there said, sorry, we do not know on what topic you are going to speak. And then the speaker said, I am not interested to talk to such gathering who does not know on what topic I am going to speak. And he went away. Now the same person went over there to another gathering and again asked the same question, do you know on what topic I am going to speak today? And there was one person who has already attended that type of a meeting for that person. And he raised his hand and he said, yes sir, we know on what topic you are going to speak. He said, okay, fine, if you already know on what topic I am going to speak, again I am not interested to talk to such type of a gathering. Again he went away. So again there was no understanding, there was no learning, there was no taking. So friends, I don't know to what extent you are in a position to become motivated in terms of what? Changing your mindset and deciding and taking this type of an oath that second career you are going to look in for is what? Becoming an entrepreneur. In everybody's life there are two careers, friend. The first career in what? The second career. And the first career, obviously for you people will be what? Taking up a job, friends. But once you have taken a job, friends, never be what? Demotivated. कभी भी नहीं ढूंढना रस्सी को और किसको, पंखे को। वो पतली सी रस्सी मिल जाए और एक पंखा मिल जाए, बस सर मुझे मिल जाएगी मेरी मंजिल, राइट। देश को लाए हैं कहां से, तूफानों से निकाल कर, रखना मेरे बच्चों इसको संभाल कर। एंड हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल, बाय बिकमिंग व्हाट, द फ्लैग bearers of this country, by becoming what, the entrepreneur. And I think Director General has already said to you friends, this is the dream of what, our present Prime Minister also, rather all political leaders, that we have to create a pool of what, entrepreneurs. Now questions friend, questions, yeah.
सर आप जैसे टीचर्स आते हैं, बच्चों को मोटिवेट कर देते हैं,